Now let's write a program to find the sum of the digits of a number. Okay, sum of the digits. So for example, if I give the input value as 123, the output value should be 6. How it is 6? 1 plus 2 plus 3. So the sum of the digits should be the answer. 1 plus 2 plus 3, the value is 6. This is the output. Now let's discuss the logic. The logic is very simple. First I'll take a variable called sum. I'll initialize the value as 0 because in this variable only I'm going to store my sum value. So first I'll take the input value 123. I'll divide by 10. When I divide by 10, modulus gives me the last digit. So I'll take the last digit. After this, the digit should be added with some value and store it back to the same variable called sum. So 0 plus 3, it is equal to 3 because sum value is 0. The value I've got is 3. That I'll store it in the variable 3. Now from 123, I have extracted the digit 3. I have added. Now I have to remove the value called 3. How come I can remove the value 3 in the sense 123 divided by 10, my quotient value becomes 12. Now repeat the process. So 12, I have to extract the digit 2. How can I extract the digit 2? Divide by 10, I'll get the value called 2. I have got the value 2. Now add it with the sum value. So previous sum value is 3 plus this extracted digit is 2, which is equal to 5. I've got the value 5. Now I have to remove the digit called 2. How can I remove the digit 2? 12 divided by 10, it becomes 1. I repeat the process. So here when I'm repeating the process, when should I stop the process? When I get the n value as 0. So when the input value becomes 0, I should stop it. So here what I'm going to do, 1 modulus 10, I'll get the remainder value as 1. Now I have extracted the digit 1. Add it with the sum value. Sum value is 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. Now remove the digit 1 divided by 10, the value becomes 0. Now I cannot repeat the process because the value becomes 0. So finally print the sum value, that is your answer. Sum value is 6, that is the answer. Let's go for the implementation of the program. Hash include stdio.h. The execution of the program always starts from the main function int n. I'll get the input value from the user %d, ampersand n. Fine. Now I am going to find the sum of the digits. For that I am going to take a variable called sum. I'll initialize the value as 0 because this is the place where I am going to store my final answer. Now I'll take a loop because I am repeating certain process again and again, right? So I'll take a loop. So here I'm going to give a condition. When should I stop the process? So here if the input value n is not equal to 0, I'll stop this. First I have to find the remainder. Why am I finding the remainder? Extracting the last digit. So I'll give int remainder equal to n modulus 10. So here let's assume the input value n to be 123. 123 not equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. I'll go here. 123 modulus 10. I'll get the remainder value as 3. 3 will be stored in the variable called remainder. Now sum equal to sum plus remainder. So here what I'm going to do, sum value is 0 plus remainder value 3, which is equal to 3. That will be stored in the variable called sum. Now I have removed the last digit, added with the sum value. I have to remove the digit. So n equal to n divided by 10. So 123 divided by 10, it becomes 12. Go for the next iteration. N value becomes 12. Condition is true. 12 not equal to 0. I'll go inside. 12 modulus 10, the value is 2. Sum equal to sum plus remainder. Sum value is 3. The remainder value is 2, which becomes 5. Now I have to remove the digit 2. So 12 divided by 10, the value is 1. Go for the next iteration. N value becomes 1. 1 not equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. I'll go inside. Remainder equal to n modulus 10. N value is 1. 1 modulus 10, my remainder value is 1. Go here. Sum equal to sum plus remainder. What is my sum value? 5. 5 plus, what is my remainder value? 1. 5 plus 1, the value is 6. N equal to n divided by 10. 1 divided by 10, the value n becomes 0. Then go for next iteration. 0 not equal to 0, condition becomes false. I'll come out of the while loop. Now, if I print the variable sum, I'll get my final answer. Sum of the digits. %d, sum. Return 0. Let me run the code now. I'll give the input value as 123. See, I've got the output value as 6. That's all.